Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address in the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner. If you scroll down to your profile settings, you have to tap on it, then the first option, the personal information, you tap on it, then you scroll down and here you will have this option, change the email address. Tap on it and here you can select another email, then you have to give your password. And after you are sure in everything, then tap on save and continue. And after you saved, it will change in the app too. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.